Good morning everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how to hand launch and hand catch the DJI Mavic Mini without cutting your fingers off. Believe me, it's not a pleasant experience.
Random dad stuff.
Okay, so first thing you want to do is get your hand position right so you're not putting your fingers up in the propellers because that can really hurt. You basically want your thumb and your first two fingers up and you're going to hold the drone just like this. Keep all your other fingers and everything out of the way. Now when you're launching it, you don't want to squeeze it tightly because then it's going to keep trying to take off, and then when you let go it's going to fly up, which is not a good thing. Hold our fingers out of the way, hit the takeoff button, hold it for a couple seconds, and just let it go. And it'll just hover right there. Now when you're ready to catch it and you're ready to land, see, normally if you put your hand under it, it's going to go up because it's got sensors. Bring it back down here. See, it keeps going up. So what we have to do is get it in a hovering position. Click the land button. We'll hold that, and it'll go ahead and come down. Easy as that. Now, if for some reason it doesn't turn off, when you grab it, all you have to do is flip it over quickly. Let me show you that. It says, "Are you sure you want to land? Are you sure you want to land?" And we just flip it over quick, and that will turn it off immediately. And that's pretty much it. That's how to hand launch and hand catch the DJI Mavic Mini. Stay tuned next week for some more tutorials on this awesome drone. See you next time. Oh, and as I always forget to say, but I'm not forgetting now because I'm telling you, be sure to subscribe if you like the videos. If you want tutorials on something, if you want how-tos on something, let me know in the comments below. I really appreciate it. And take care of yourself. Have fun. See you next week.